Montessori lesson in history. It's about history and it's called the Clock of Eras. Think about the title, the Clock of Eras. What do you think we are going to talk about? If you thought that is a clock, you're right. We are going to see the eras in a clock. They are going to be represented in a clock. So we are going to see from the beginning of Earth to today, the history of Earth. The Clock of Eras. The Clock of Eras is a very special type of clock that tells the entire history of the Earth, from when it was a mass of gas until now. Think about that. The Earth was a mass of gas in the very beginning. In this story, told by our special clock, time is divided in 12 hours, but each hour is not made up of minutes. It's going to be made up of, what do you think? Years. Each hour is going to be 375 million years. That is what it's going to represent. So we have the first piece of our Clock of Eras that is going this way. And this first piece is about the formative era. It lasts 4 hours and is painted in black. During this era, the Earth changed from being a vast cloud of gas and dust to a very hot liquid sphere. So take a moment, from a vast cloud of gas and dust to a very hot liquid sphere. So we move from gas to liquid. There was a moment that Earth was a hot liquid sphere. At the end of this era, the Earth crust solidified and a layer of rocks formed. The duration of this era is 1,500,000,000 years. Okay. Let's go with our second piece. Second piece of our Clock of Eras goes this way, and as you can see, is a big chunk. Now with both of them, we have covered more than 3/4 of our clock. Only 2 eras are more than 3/4 of our clock. The Archaic era. It lasts 6 hours, 27 minutes, and 12 seconds. It's painted yellow. This era is still a great mystery because fossils are so rare. But one thing is certain, that during these millions of years, life appeared. It was also during this period that life faced the greatest risks, but despite the difficulties, it was not destroyed. The duration of this era is 2,420,000,000 years. Let's go with the next piece on the clock. Check this. We almost covered the whole clock already, the 360 degrees. Now we are going to talk about the Paleozoic era. Lasts 1 hour. It is blue. Fossils from this era tell us about a great spread of life in the sea. Many great creatures appeared, helping each one of them to purify the water for life. At the end of this era, life on Earth had begun. Duration 375 million years. Human beings are not in Earth yet. And check this. We are almost covered the whole clock. And the humans are not yet there. Next one. Mesozoic era. It lasts 23 minutes and 12 seconds and is brown in color. It was the era of the great development of life on Earth. The first land animals were very small, but during this era they became giants. If you are thinking in dinosaurs, you're right. Many types of plants also developed and large forests appeared. So check this. Not only the life is on land, there is sea, and there is not only animals, there are plants also, and the forests start appearing. Let's see, another piece. Every single piece is getting smaller and smaller. There we go. Cenozoic era. It lasts 9 minutes and 26 seconds and is green in color. It was the era of the great development of mammals. The first mammals were very small, but they soon became large and developed in many different ways. The mammalian gift to life was a different form of love. Duration 59 million years. And the last piece, and that is where human beings are. Let's see if I can put it right. Yay! Success! Neosic era. It lasts only 10 seconds and is color red. This is the era of the appearance of human beings. In this short period of time, man, with his intelligence and his great power of love, was learned to use all the gifts of creation, rocks, minerals, plants, and animals, to make his life happier. 1 million years of duration, and the human beings only have been in that very small part of the life of Earth.